Hi everyone. Now we are moving on to the last topic of module 1, that is the building services. So these building services are nothing but the aspects which makes the building suitable for the purpose for which it is intended to be. So just by having a civil construction will not provide or will not suffice the purpose for which that particular building is intended to be used. So that particular building may be used for different kind of purposes. Maybe it is used for an official purpose. Office rooms will be there. There may be lavatories will be there. Lift, escalators. Then prayer rooms will be there. So you need to define where all you need the electrical points. So from the design stage itself it comes into picture. So it is a proper coordination between the civil, architect, electrical, and then in coordination with the people who are going to provide the service for that particular installations. So your building services, it can be classified into two. One is the major services and another one is the minor services. So major services are looking at the ventilation, lighting, then the heating, air conditioning, and also lifts and escalators. Minor services is basically looking at the safety and functional point of view. You need an intercom facility, you may need an electrical audio system, you may need a CCTV system. So these are connecting to the safety aspects and the functional for which it is required for that particular building. So major services will be consuming more amount of power and minor services will be requiring a lower part of power. So these kind of systems you need to have a clear understanding. So from the design stage itself, if the building is properly oriented and the building is properly constructed, then the amount of lighting requirement is less. Also, a proper ventilation again depends upon the design of that particular building. So the amount of energy consumption for the particular building will start from the design stage itself, from the civil and the architect people itself. So you should have a clear understanding of where all you need the electrical power points, where all need the electrical wirings, what should be the rating of the electrical power, whether it is a 16 ampere or whether it is a 6 ampere switch which is required at a particular point, or what are the loads to be connected to a particular point. So these things should be known in advance in order to make the building purposeful. So if any kind of extra additions when it comes to the picture, then a lot of modifications are required for that particular building, which will not result in a reliable operation of that particular service. So a proper coordination between the different agencies which comes into picture is always required in the building services operation. So the minor services will again depending upon the type of building for which it is being used, depending upon the occupancy of that particular building, because an electrical audio system or a data networking may not be required for all kind of buildings. Similarly, an air conditioning will not be required for all type of buildings. So it all depends upon the purpose for which that building is to be intended to be used. So from the initial stage, because from the construction stage itself it is required, because if a lift which has to be implemented after the building is constructed, then it becomes very difficult. Providing an access point to the lift becomes very difficult. So similarly, providing electric supply to that particular lift operation is also to be planned in advance. So that is with respect to your building services. Thank you.